Hello friend, welcome. Um, in in our last Python video, we introduced Colette's conjecture. So what if we can collect the input from the user, so we don't need to hard coded the like the initial, right, the first counting number to trigger the Colette sequence, right? Now let's give a try. So let's see here. Yeah, we are inside the Python work3. So what do we have here? One file, right? Let's create another one. vim colettes.py, right? This is the postfix for Python file colettes. Okay, so now we are inside the vim text editor. So press I to enter the insert mode. Okay, so that's hard coded for now. So n equals say 3. So we have a while loop, right? While n is not 1, we'll keep going. I use 2 space as the indentation. You can use tab key if you like that, or it's too many. Okay, so if n is even number, right, like mod 2 equal 0, then n, the next n is, right, half of it, like that. We can also replace, using another way, like divide equal by 2, right? So this is the same as this is the comment. This is the same as n equals n minus divided by 2. Okay, so yeah, let's remove that. It's confusing, because there's only there's no syntax color here. Else n equals 3 times n plus 1, right? That's the rule of Colettes. Now here we can print out n. That's it. So escape key to quit the editing mode. Now colon x. So let's see. Yeah, we have 2 files. Now let's try to run it. Python colettes. Yeah, it works, right? Now how can we get rid of the hard-coded initial value 3? Oh, sorry about that. We need to print out the initial value here. So let me introduce one command of vim editor. Is like O will insert a new line under the current line here, the first line, right? Press O, yeah, it automatically enters, right, insert mode. So we'll print out the first one. Okay, like that. Let's do it again. So Python run that. Yeah, starting from 3. So if we go back to change this one, okay, so we can press X to delete that, right, inside the command mode X. Okay, now we can, other than I to enter insert, we can use A to append 1 here. So let's try a bigger one, like that. Run it. Wow, this is much longer. Okay, so yeah, let's start. The initial one is this guy. Now let's try to get the input from the user for their initial variable. How? Okay, let's go inside. So this one, instead of hard-coded, the $sign will go to the end. Okay, so delete X. I just pressed the X key. Okay, now append A. The Python provides this function to get the input from the user. Okay, let's see. Raw input, escape. Now let's run again. It's waiting for our input. Okay, so now let's put 3, enter. What? Most recent code is not all arguments converted during the string format. Oh, okay. The problem is the input from the user is a string by default. So I'm pressing arrow key to move the cursor. Okay, so here insert int, now escape, and the $sign append, like that. Okay, now let's try it again. 3, yeah, this time it works, right? So by default, the return type of that is string. So yeah, we are using the number. It's not like string. We are not using this 3, right? We are using the number 3 string. Okay, escape, dd to delete the line. Okay, u to undo in the vim command, dd delete. Okay, so better to put some prompt, right, for our user. So let's go to the here, h, right, and k. Okay, h, l. Now insert something prompt. Okay, so in like init number, right? Okay, so let's run it again. Init number 3. Okay, run again. Init number 331. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's how we handle, right, the user input. So cat collapse, let's display our source code. Thank you for watching. See you next